So our last day here in Yokohama, we're going to pop into the Nissan headquarters, which I believe is also a museum. Let's go have a look. So we're here at the Nissan Gallery global headquarters. Look at that cheeky Nissan Zed down there. Yeah, let's go in and have a look. Straight into a convertible Sylvia and a little Nissan POW. We're going to look out for a Figaro. I can see a Figaro bum there. Check that out. Oh wow, there's a lot going on in here. New Zed, GTR, Nismo stuff. Yeah, awful lot. Check out the inside of the Sylvia there. Is that 200? 200 ZX? SX? I don't know. Yeah, check out the POW. That is minty, minty fresh. Look at that. I've never seen anything quite as mint as that. Oh, do I get one of these? 50,000 subscribers and I'll get myself a POW. I'm gonna pause it. There's your blur. Yeah, look at that. That's never been used, surely. That's incredible in there. Yeah, this was the utilitarian Pike car. Oh, that's lush. So next to the POW, they've got a Datsun, is it Phaeton? VW, you weren't the first. Look at that. Okay. It's like a, is it an Austin 7 that I'm thinking of? Maybe? Oh wow. Okay, you can see where some of the POW got its inspiration from, looking at the dash and the buttons and stuff. That's so cool. Let's have a look around the back. It's got a spare wheel in the back. Like a noddy car. So they don't have a full-size Fig here anymore, but they have got this little model, and it's missed from Classic Zed. It's the right colour for one. I mean, if it's in the Nissan headquarters, it's obviously right. What else have they got? What's this one? I don't know what this is. Looks 80s. That's a Sylvia. And then we've got a wall of cars. It's charting Nissan. Is that the first one? That's in 12. And then, yeah, sorry for the reflection. But yeah, all of that there, all of the books. Also a showroom, so people are going to be trying out cars. This is amazing. Oh look, it's a Hes Manual for a Figaro. Oh, I'm going to get shot for saying that. Mixing up from the Figaro and the POWs. It's the new, was it Fairlady Zed, which would be the 400 Zed if they brought it to the UK. Bring it to the UK, Nissan. Obviously, you're going to have a GTR here. I have driven one of these on a track day. Really easy to drive. It's like a normal car but fast. Sounds stupid, I know, but it's amazing. So that's the innards and internals of a GTR, the backbone. So the twin turbo V6, carbon prop shaft, suspension at the back. Oh, this place is lush. And then there, I guess that's the showroom bit down over there. I think they've got a Rooxes in here somewhere, but we know all about that. So all of this is here, marking Nissan's 90th anniversary. Check out the new, is it Nissan Note Auras? I guess they're kind of the size of what was a Pulsar or an Almera if you're old enough. They look quite cool, I have to say. So I'm going to go down there and have a look at that next. Some of their EVs. Yeah, let's go have a look at the Formula E car. So I think we're down in the showroom side of things now. So there's another Notes, long Rooxes, Serena, your Kicks, X-Trail, the Nissan Leaf, that's quite popular. The Aria Nismo, it does look quite cool. Aria, which is that other electric thing. And then yeah, check out, they look really cool actually, the Formula E stuff. That's quite cool. It's quite small actually. Reminds me of when I've seen models of like 2004 Formula 1 cars. So here this one was driven by, I think it's Sebastian Buemi. I don't know how well he did, I don't really follow Formula E. That's cool though. So this would be the Nismo Fairlady Zed, or the 400 Z. It's so lush. Excuse the finger, that is so lush. I actually like the yellow though, a ridiculous colour. It's a bit more of a look around all the other cars they've got in the showroom side of things. Including the Sakura, which is just a 5-door, non-slidey door Rooxes. I have a nose in the shop, see what they've got in Nismo and Nissan Shop. So you get Nissan racing shoes. Ah, it's Man City, let's ignore that. It's football shirts. Of course, Yokohama, that's where we are, sponsored by Nissan, which is quite cool. For those of you who are old enough, Datsun, which was Nissan before it was Nissan, at least in the UK. But all your key rings and bags and stuff. Let's see if they've got a mini fig for Nissan, not a proper classic. Everyone needs a racing Nissan cat bag. So yeah, this is really cool. If you find yourself in Yokohama and you've got a morning, a couple of hours to kill, or you're a massive Nissan fan, yeah, come to the Global Headquarters Museum and shop. It's, yeah, incredible. So yeah, for more content like this, Japan or otherwise, please like, comment and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.